Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX and Dow Jones price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. As usual, we're gonna start with Nasdaq 4 hours chart and we'll see what happened, what we might expect next, what's going on the micro level. We're gonna see this soon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Wave 3 finish 4 also as an expanding flat and followed by a final wave 5 to hit our perfect target zone here in the blue zone, and we start to see, of course, a drop down as we mentioned, of course, that we might see a very deep correction. But before going very deep, let's test, of course, this area here as a potential 1-2 extension and then pushing for higher again. Therefore, I'm expecting anyway 3 waves toward the downside, and this is only the first and the beginning of the impulse wave A, B, and a C, at least here, in case this is unfolding. Our target on the 1 hour chart has been reached perfectly again with, of course, our signals as well given in our Discord. So if you are interested, of course, you are very welcome, guys. We got our stocks here for Nasdaq as well. We got the sell our profits still, of course, looking for the 24K 200, where we are looking still for a major wave to actually, and that means an A, B, and a C might be unfolding over there. Now, basically, what I'm looking at here on the 1 hour chart is a potential finished wave 5 for a wave 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, no invalidation, and that means this is still a very valid double 1, 2, and you're looking for another wave 4 here. This wave 4 might come back to the same area of the previous wave 4, and that means I'm expecting at least here the 0.5 Fibonacci level, 29K 332, which is a very likely because we already have a wave A there, which is only one impulse already took almost the 0.38 Fibonacci level. If we take also here the timing required, well, you will see that the timing for wave 2 is very shallow. So I believe that this zigzag might be very fast. So that's why you see a very fast, strong wave A right now. Wave B and wave C might be given later on. So even it's not worth, it doesn't worth even to put the timing there because it might be very fast, guys. So the timing, sorry, let me put a wave 4 over 2. So yeah, this is exactly where we are looking for. So basically, yeah, wave 4 might be very fast and very strong. Yeah, so A, B, and a C, and then wave 5 might unfold still. So I'm still looking for one more low, guys. We're not finished yet with Nasdaq. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only for wave 3, and then 4 and a 5 might be unfolding for a wave A, B, and a C again, of course, to hit 24K. Why? Because if we take here our target for the daily, I would say we might be, let me just put it there from a 1, 2 there. Here we go. 24K can be very likely because if this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 there, this is only your wave A. It is an impulse, meaning not a flat. It is a zigzag. And when you have a zigzag, meaning wave B is going to be shallow potentially, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to hit, of course, our perfect target for a wave 2 here between the 0.618 and the 0.786. So let me put the wave 2 there. There you go. So 24K, and I believe that this might be very likely a scenario here. Let me remove this. Is done. So this invalidation is done. So basically, this area is very likely because of the impulse, guys. A, B, and a C, the highest probability there. Plus, don't forget on the monthly, well, this is only a testing area, guys. So we are testing the thing, and that means actually what we have to look after here is a large one too, guys. Meaning, if we take again the wave 2 from here, you will realize that your 0.38 of this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which we were watching since a long time here, is looking for a wave 2 at 0.38 minimum fib level. and that means 24K in confluence with this one too, and therefore I see a lot of confluence there, guys. So that's why I'm looking for this area in a very high probability for Nasdaq. Yep, so basically this is what we are expecting for Nasdaq. I'm gonna keep this also there, so to keep it for the next time. We'll see what's gonna happen. Let's move to SPX. For SPX, also on the 4 hour chart, we are looking also for a very deep correction. Wave 2, 7K, 0.38, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 1, A, B, and a C minimum target, guys. The impulse is not done yet. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, you will see that we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Today it was a massive drop, very nice drop to hit our target perfectly, even the extension 1.618 for a wave 5. That's beautiful. So we're looking as well for another wave 4. Now this second wave 4, expect of course to come back to the previous wave 4. Sorry, I deleted. So basically this target was perfectly given. Basically, if we take this wave 2 and we have a wave 4 there, we are looking then at least for this area, yeah, at least, which is 7K 400 and 7K 300, well, already taken, guys, in one impulse as an ABC. So I'm expecting to come back, as I mentioned before, for this area, the previous wave 4. This is what happens mostly in an impulse where we have double 1 2. The wave 4 comes back, the second one comes back where the first one has ended up, and then pushed down again further toward the downside. So we'll see what's going to happen. Timing is essential as well. So we are alternating this wave 2 here, and we're looking then to this time. Here we go. This is a time that we're looking. So yes, definitely we might still keep pushing higher before we push down again for the final wave 5. Yep, so that was it for SPX as well. Let's move to Dow Jones, also on the 4 hour chart. Very interesting for Dow Jones that the drop is not looking aggressive like Nasdaq and SPX. Basically, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, at the end, it is a finished impulse somehow, and we got a drop, but it's not very aggressive again. So I would say Dow Jones is still warming up here, and we have like several 1 2s, yeah. So you have 1 2 1 2 and another 1 2 here, and then 3 4 5 4 5. That it might still reach our target, minimum target 49K here as a potential large 1 2, and then continuation for higher prices again. But basically this is an impulse. If this is an impulse, ABC might be even lower to test our area, perfect fib level again for a wave 2. So the time here as well is very essential. I would say if we have the time for a wave 2 over there, as a wave 2, we're looking first in case we're gonna have a shallow wave 2. This is your timing. In case we're gonna get a deeper wave 2, this is the timing and the fib levels at the same time. By all means, let us trace the probability here. Meaning, if we are in a shallow one, this might transform into kind of like a 3 waves W, X, and a Y. You get your wave B as an AB and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave C, and then we push for higher. But in case this turns into an impulse, as we mentioned, like several 1 2s, this will be your wave A, your wave B given later on, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to hit this time, and then pushing toward the upside. Of course, we're gonna test what's gonna happen over there if we get a signal of trends, impulse 5 ways up, 3 ways down, breaking the high. This is our signal, of course, to push for higher again. Yep, so that was it for Dow Jones and SPX and also Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.